Discover the 10 quick hacks to create your next information product faster. You will be surprised how easy and effective this process is. And it's free. All you have to do is to enter your first name and email address here and then click on the blue button to unlock your gift. You will discover that if you have a business selling information products, then you need to create a lot of products. This includes lead magnets, tripwires, main offers, upsells, backend products, and more. Whew. Sounds like stocking a sales funnel could take a long time. That's true, it can. That's why you'll want to check out these 10 surefire ideas for creating your next information products faster and easier than ever before. Bye-bye.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build it all. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder all, rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand that came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Build It All, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build it all. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder all, rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A builder all, rock star is what you really are. Tune in, on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builder Raw's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build it all. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder all, rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.